The world may have forgotten what a worm is, but the devil hasn't.
My liege, I bring grave news from the service.
Spit it out, boy.
Our scouts, they had spotted a sparrow.
A sparrow.
All right, come on, lad. We need to get some surface dirt for your mother.
What are them, Pa?
Them are clouds, boy. That's where the blessed worm lives.
Is that him, Pa? Is that the blessed worm?
Get back to the catacombs!
Pa, I'm scared. Pa, what's happening, Pa? Oh, I'm scared.
Don't worry, son. It's okay. We're safe now.
Pa?
Oh, I'm sorry, son. I'll see you in the clouds.
My liege, should I gather the people into the catacombs?
What did you do today?
Well, I ate dirt.
And you? I think I ate dirt. And you?
Well, first I made a nice warm plate of
Is that all we ever do? Eat dirt! Have we let the sparrows drive us to this? Toiling underground, never tasting the sun rays of the blessed worm in the clouds. The world may have forgotten what a worm is, but I haven't. I haven't. Today, we will fight. We will take the surface. And tomorrow, we will take the skies. Who's with me?